I am fresh out of the shower here at my Best Western Motel, and I'm excited because today I'm showing you and taking some friends for their first time to my favorite place in Memphis, Tennessee. Just got checked into my beautiful Best Western Plus hotel, and we got in early enough to go out and do some exploring. So I'm gonna show my friends my favorite street. We've been riding all day long. It started earlier this morning. In fact, let me take you back in time to this morning when we just left for our first day on the road, riding old classic cars and some newer ones around country, crashing other people's parties. We got a traffic jam up here. Bunch of really cool old cars and some really nice new ones too. Headed on a cross-country tour in today's video. I'm taking my Pontiac Trans Am. My buddy Mike's back there in his customized diesel Corvette. We've got Lou in his Riviera with his wife. We got a trike with us. We got a Chevelle SS. My buddy brought the Comfort in the conversion van. Check out this Porsche, this convertible Porsche that's coming with us. What year is that Porsche?
1990.
1990, man. Back when life was good, right? We've got a Ford F-250, and we are gonna take a cross-country ride here. We're gonna crash a bunch of parties. Oh, and of course we cannot leave out my road captains.
I was wondering.
Jay, don't wonder, Pamela, I got you. I know I'm not gonna miss you. Jay and Pamela are road captains in the Durango. That thing's pretty quick, huh? It's got a Hemi in it?
It does.
All right, we're gonna see.
Let's roll.
Let's run it. You're gonna lead us out of here?
I will.
You're gonna lead the first run?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. That means nobody's yelling at me for going too fast. And check out the beautiful trike we got with us here today. We are at the Route 62 Motor Resort. This is a resort I've got right here in Eureka Springs, Arkansas. And you know, I got some old cars and motorcycles around for the feel, but really it's a bunch of jacuzzi suite cabins along the highway and an RV park back there in the back. And there's all kinds of events and things that happen around this town. We absolutely love it. We spent the weekend doing a Ford Mustang car show here, and now we're touring the country. We're gonna crash a bunch of parties, and in the end, we're gonna do the Power Tour, which is supposed to be the baddest old muscle car hot rod tour in all of America, and we're gonna put it to the test. You got inside that Corvette?
4 BT Cummins.
4 BT Cummins. Took it out of a bread truck.
Yes, sir.
Slammed it in that Corvette.
That's right.
And she runs too. And of course, this is my beautiful girl right here. Just got her running. She's been touch and go, touch and go. It's an LS3 427 by Blueprint Motors, all outfitted with Holly Terminator and everything else. You can hear it. Yeah, she sounds good. And those wheels are by Justin Performance. I think they fit absolutely perfect. You ready for a road trip, Lou?
I'm ready to go.
And I'm sorry, what was your name again?
Tracy.
Tracy? All right, Lou and Tracy.
We're ready.
You guys look good in this thing. I'm telling you, it suits you. Y'all got style, I can see it. All right, first stop of the trip, and we are at the Outlook here on the Pig Trail Highway. Camera never really does this justice, but there's a big parking area here where you can pull out and enjoy the view. How's it going so far?
Pretty good.
I just know this thing corners so beautifully. I just know it does.
It does.
I know, right? Everybody's taking pictures, soaking it in. How's Riviera doing?
Great.
Now my question is, are we gonna take bets on who's the first one to break down? Anybody want to take? Why not? What? That would be me.
That would be you.
Yeah, I think you're right. It's probably going to be me. Oh well, that's half the fun of a road trip. Figuring it out, working with your friends to solve problems. AKA, we ask Mike to solve our problems. I'm not sure I should have eaten all that chicken. It's hot out here, man. 94 degrees out right now, and you know, I got that vintage air put in this car, but with the T-tops and the windows and the black car, it's not enough. I mean, it'll make it tolerable, but I think it's almost better with the T-tops off. I don't know. It's bloody hot out here. It is much cooler in here. Well, you probably had it good enough.
100%. We're gonna run with the windows down.
Just to fit in? Yeah. All right, Jake. All right. You got AC in that Chevelle?
I do, but I didn't use it. 2 windows down, old school.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
I can respect it.
No, absolutely not.
Mike, you didn't use yours, did you?
No, I did not use my air conditioner.
What air conditioner?
So now you know why it was so nice to get a shower here at the Best Western Hotel. And I got to remind you all that Best Western is a partner of mine in all of my tours across America. And they always work out great because, well, the rooms are always so comfortable and the places are always so beautiful and the prices are indeed reasonable. But look at, we've got the crew. You guys ready to go see Beale Street? Let's take a ride. All right, so this is historic Beale Street. Now this is accredited for shaping some of America's most famous music, including rock and roll. This is Rock and Roll Street, but although you'll find there's a lot more blues going on in this street than rock and roll. Memphis is deep in the history of music, and Beale Street is like the #1 entertainment street in all of Memphis area. And there's just a lot to do and a lot going on. I mean, we're here on a Monday night, so it's a little slow, but it's still just a really rad experience.